Back to the MAGOM HRC YouTube channel. We are here again with the new Tamiya 8.4. This time is 8.8 with the new upgrade by MAGOM. We are going to test here the hydraulic kit and the traction kit. It also includes the self-locking rear differential. We're going to test it here so you can see it. We open the cabin. This placement here is a new plate by MAGOM. This is for an easiest installation. We connect the battery here. And place it carefully, so easy to install. And that's it. And now we are going to talk about the hydraulic kit. This time the hydraulic kit includes a new tank. You can see it's included in the original design from Tamiya. It's placed here. It also has the hydraulic cylinder. This hydraulic typing system, it's actioned by the brushed pump, and the cylinder is 22 millimeters on the outer diameter. Hose is also included, and the ESC, the brushed ESC to act with the pump, and the new tank designed especially for this design from Tamiya, so you can include it with no modification. Now talking about the traction, we included a front double traction kit with 2 double front differentials and a gearbox. The tires are off-ride tires from MAGOM HRC with traction design, and the rims are made in aluminum by MAGOM with 10 screws. For the rear part, we can see 2 shafts with self-locking are installed on the original case from Tamiya. We can work with it on the ground or a flat surface. We we are going to explain here how the self-locking differential works. This is a boot palette. You can see it slates a little, so as soon as the wheel touches the boot or the palette, it moves a little because it's like a normal differential, but when it knows that it doesn't have traction, then the differential locks and acts like a rigid differential or a rigid shaft. So you can go on top of it with no problem. Then again, and the rear part too. And rear part, as said, 2 shaft with self-locking, 2 in the original case from Tamiya. Same working. Part also includes the triangles for the suspension made by MAGOM in aluminum. It makes it higher so you don't have the different heights on the track. And last but not least, we have installed the new light module MLMEF and with sound too. The new light module includes 6 lights with configurable motions. It also includes braking light and backward sound. So that's it for today's video. We hope you like it. All these items will be available on our website and you will find it on the description of this video. If you have any suggestion or any question, you can leave it on the commentaries. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.